guys, and welcome back to Ravish's Universe. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever cooking video on my channel featuring my mom, the guest cook. And today we are going to be cooking a very famous Indian sweet called Sweet Pongal or Sweet Pongal. Let's start the preparation. Okay guys, for this special Indian sweet, the ingredients we need are 1/4 cup of moong dal, 1/2 cup of rice, and 1/3 cup of jaggery. You can use anything with your taste. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, it's all up to you. And here we have an assortment of dry fruits. We have used cashews, walnuts, almonds, and raisins. You can use anything for you. And this is one or two pinches of cardamom powder. And then last, we have 2 tablespoons of ghee that we will be using here. To start, okay guys, the first step is to pour your moong dal into a pan with no oil, and keep the stove on low flame and just dry roast it for about 3 to 5 minutes until you don't have that raw smell, and it gives a good smell to you. Okay guys, now we're washing the rice in water. The reason why we're doing this is because there might be some unwanted dust or particles that will make you sick or will not give you the good taste in your pongal. So that's why we're just washing it to make sure it's all clean. And then after we wash it, we add 5 cups of water. Okay guys, after adding the 5 half cups of water, we are transferring it into the pressure cooker, and you put the lid on it and wait for 3 whistles. Okay guys, as soon as you transfer it, don't close it yet. You're supposed to add a little bit of ghee for your taste so that the rice becomes softer and you'll get some better taste in it. After that, we close it with the lid and you wait for 3 whistles. Okay guys, when our moong dal and rice is cooking, now what we're gonna do is put our jaggery into a bowl and add a little amount of water so that it can be easier to take out all of the dust particles. And then you should put it on the stove until all of the jaggery dissolves. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to roast some of the dry nuts that we have put in before. So first we add a little bit of ghee into our pan. And then we add all of our nuts into it. And we start roasting them. Okay, now that we have sauteed our dry nuts until they have this golden brown and good smell, we're going to add the raisins last, because if you add them during, you won't get those fluffy raisins. So that's why we've added them now. Okay, now our jaggery is ready. It's boiling a lot. So we turn off the stove. Okay guys, now after the pressure cooker has given 3 whistles, we have mixed the rice and the dal together to get this kind of mixture. Now we are adding the jaggery. And we stir. Okay guys, after you added the jaggery, we're adding just a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. And lastly, we are adding the cardamom powder that we have put earlier. After all of that, we need to add our dry fruits mixture. And then we add a spoon of ghee. Okay guys, now we have put some of our dry fruits mixture on top of it, and that's our sweet pongal. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button and share with other people so they can enjoy the same food that you've had. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you guys, and peace.